Good morning. I'm coming at you this morning with just a really quick and easy homesteading video. James and I have been working really hard at just building small areas around our property to grow vegetables that the kids can be involved in. So this is what we did today. Behind me here, you can see this. We wanted an area to grow cucumbers. Our boys absolutely love cucumbers. If I would let them, they would eat at least one a day because they're obsessed. It's their favorite snack, which is great. It's healthy. It's really good for them. So I wanted to grow cucumbers where they could easily access them and be part of the cucumber growing process, which is why we put it here. This was super easy to make. We just had some leftover lumber from our sawmill that we own over there. This is leftover lumber from a project we did recently with some other raised beds we made. There are so many different ways to make raised beds, but this is the way that we have really fallen in love with because it's sturdy, it takes minimal wood, and it looks good. You just butt it up at your 90-degree angle, and then you cut two smaller pieces of 1-inch lumber, and you do the same thing. And this really just makes it stout. That's not going anywhere. You could honestly hit that with the lawnmower, and it's not gonna move. And then we did also fasten it to the bottom of their play set here with 2 screws that you can see, and that really makes it strong. And for this raised bed, we just got some dirt from over there where we started our tree nursery. There was some loose dirt over here in a pile, so we got a bunch of that, which has some decaying leaves and sticks in it, which is perfect because it'll put a lot of nutrition into the soil. What we're going to do next is just stomp this down, and then we're going to go get some compost and manure and put on top for the top layer, and then we will plant our cucumber plants today that I've been growing in our house. They are just a couple inches long, so it's perfect to transplant them. It's Mother's Day, so we don't have any worry of frost here in Kentucky anymore, so it's time to start planting. But here it is. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take some old fencing that we have and put it up against this triangle, and that will be the trellis that our cucumbers will climb all the way up on this summer. So here we are. The cucumber plants are getting huge. They look absolutely fantastic. And James bought this. What's that thing called?
Hog fencing, I think.
Hog fencing from Tractor Supply. It was 20 bucks, so we're gonna cut that to fit in here so that they can climb up it. Looks magnificent. And we obviously don't have any horseshoe nails, so this works just fine.
Choose what you got.
That's right, use what you got.
Resourceful, that's what I call that.
It's perfect.
Done.
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 Now I'm just gonna take them and start making them go up the trellis. And there you have it. They might look a little bit funny now because I just kind of leaned them that way, but they'll naturally start turning to where they get really good sunlight, and they will start going up the trellis on their own, and this will give us a lot of cucumbers. And then while our boys are out here playing on the swing set, they can just eat cucumbers. This will be perfect for them. And look at my cucumber garden now. It has been great this year. It's currently August 1st. So of course you can see some of it is starting to die out, but from this little cucumber garden, we probably got, I'd say 75 cucumbers or more. It's been a lot of fun. I'll show you over here. I wish I would have taken a video earlier in the gardening season when the leaves were bright green before they started to die out, but I don't know if there's any cucumbers left in here. Oh yeah. There's one under there still growing. See it back there? Let's see. Oh, yep, here's a little one. So we're still getting some off of it. Oh, yeah, there's one next to it too. Right there's one. Get to focus, yep. So this has been a great raised garden bed. The boys have eaten a lot of cucumbers out of it. I love it. It's been the perfect location. So as always, if you have questions, let us know. Otherwise, this is pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy, and pretty cheap. Happy gardening season.